Hi there. Google is continuing to enhance the search experience for its users. When you go to google.com, you'll notice that you can choose traditional Google search. You can also choose AI mode. AI mode is not new. What is new, though, is that you can add an image to your AI search. You can also now do deep search. Select for deep search. When you select for deep search, you can expect that Google will take longer in order to return your query. So with deep search enabled, we are now going to execute our query. What typically happens is that in AI mode, you will get the opportunity to clarify what it is you are searching for. Once you get the clarifying question for deep search, you can then write your answers, and you can then give Google in AI mode the opportunity to undertake your query. You will notice that you can also start a new search while the deep search is working. We're going to stop the video here and give deep search the opportunity to complete our query. And you can watch the agentic search process in real time. What you may notice is that there is a growing number of sites for any particular query that Google will let you know it is viewing and scanning. And as you can see at this point in the process, Google has scanned 522 sites. Now, this may be different for every individual search, but it is an idea of the scope of deep search. When you set this in motion, Google will let you know when your research is complete. You will see on the right side menu that you have a certain number of sites that you can look to in order to quantify your research. There you have it, and I will see you in another video.